In this video, we'll show you how to change the blower motor on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the passenger door to give you easier access to the blower motor, located under the glove box. Next, using a fork, remove the two rivets holding the plastic cover. Then place it gently so as not to pull on the cable. Disconnect the connector by pressing on the plastic tab, using a flathead screwdriver and pulling on the connector. Remove the plastic cover under the glove box. Remove the fuse cover. To do this, simply pull on it. Disconnect the transfer case control module connectors. To do this, push on the tabs and pull on the connectors. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two nuts holding the transfer case control module. Then remove it.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Disconnect the blower motor electrical connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a Torx T20 bit, unscrew the three screws holding the blower motor. Then remove the motor. You can order the blower motor assembly used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new blower motor assembly. Then insert it into its slot. Screw the three holding screws back in. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the transfer case control module back. Then screw the retaining nuts back in. Reconnect the power connectors. Put the fuse cover back. Bring the plastic cover closer. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the plastic cover back in place under the glove box. Then put the two rivets back in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.